folks. Today is Tuesday, and we're lucky. We got some crane action to start the day. Center of your picture.
Seems like we got some action today finally, huh? Last time, not so much action. hopefully on Thursday, but we'll have to see. All right, folks, here we are for the continued Mirage Hardrock transition. We got a work truck there. Got a telehandler over here. When I was walking by in front of the Mirage, the crane in the front, that puppy was on, and this like big old looking bucket. This is a little different angle than I've shot at, a little bit north of where I usually shoot. There's the outhouse. From the outhouse to the penthouse. Look at that, it looks like they're working on a second set. I can't tell. They look like more forms. They already got the foundation. Looks like the first level's coming along on the guitar. You can see there is a little bit of wind out there. They got all their, what do you call it? Guardrails and mid rails set up. That way it prevents the guys and gals out there from possibly falling, whatever that is, 20 or 30 feet to their potential demise. Looks like it's telehandler time, huh? We're going to see if we can go check out the backside in a little bit here once I'm done with the walk. And hopefully there's something going on, because last time it was dead as a doornail. You zoom in there. I can't tell what the hell that is, other than another structure the guy's coming down the ladder from. He's working from the ladder now, it looks like. Like in the middle of the screen, some type of generator, I think. Hard to tell without my glasses on, because I got my sunglasses and all that. Well, folks, I hate to say it, but I don't think there's much to chat about today. To say this, but I think we're going to call it a day on this one. There's just not a whole lot going on. So I'm going to continue my walk. We'll get on the backside. Hopefully there'll be something going on back there, because there ain't squat going on out front. Nothing in the front, party in the back. Later. Hey folks, so we're here at the back as promised. I wasn't going to come here after I was done with my walk, but I was like, no, I said I was going to do it, so I better make sure I do it. No real changes. I'm kidding. So there's our storage yard where they, have all their supplies, and then they roll them out to where they got to. Still got the houses there. I call them houses. Security checkpoints, whatever you want to call them. I don't care. Sorry for the wind noise. We do have a couple of trucks there. One coming, one going. Let's see here. There we go. Think about the only difference from the last week to this week. There's a pile of bricks, it looks like. These mounds of dirt. I think they've changed where they are. The other thing is, I don't know what the hell that is. Some type of drilling rig of some sort. But that's there, and I don't remember that being there before. I remember this pretty much barren. but I do remember the partially dug in, probably 3 to 4 foot pool area. I'm thinking that's the pool area. I could be totally wrong, but it sure seems like that would be the most logical explanation, shall we say. So there's that. We got a dump truck leaving with a load of dirt. You saw the there we go. That water truck was spraying. They have a road, makeshift road, I guess you would call it. One other thing I should note: these pipes or tubing, whatever it is, around the, like I said, what I suspect is the pool area. Could be totally wrong. Only time will tell. But I did want to show you this, Nick, if you're watching, and the wind noise hasn't killed you yet. Look at these windows, man. The gold stuff is coming off, folks. Whoopsie. We got it there, and then we got it on these windows up here. So, looks like that's about all that's going on back here. Not a whole lot. As time goes on, like I said, maybe I'll just visit this area once a week at the most, maybe on Fridays or Saturdays, depending on when I'm out, because it just doesn't seem like it's moving too quickly. There's that telehandler coming towards us, but I can't tell because I don't have my glasses on, but I don't think anything's on it. So this dump truck is actually dumping the dirt right there. Huh, interesting. So anyways, folks, that's it. That's all for this week's videos of the Mirage Hardrock transformation, and we will see you next week.